1 second. So as you can see me on the screen, my name is Prajakta. अब सब लोग मुझे वैसे तो जानते ही हो, but then again I'll introduce myself. I am also handwriting coach and handwriting expert, where I help children improve their handwriting because I feel handwriting is more like drawing, है ना? So as an art teacher, I have developed some hacks and some things which will help you to improve your handwriting. So जैसे जैसे class आगे बढ़ेगी, I am going to improve and tell you the techniques that we are going to use in today's class. So all I want you to be ready with your, maybe your plain paper. If you have plain paper, you can use that, or a ruled book like this. Okay, a ruled book like this you can use. And whatever you are using pencil in school, you can use pencil. If you're using this pen in school, you can use pen in school. So more or less, this is what it is, and we will start. And as we are going to progress, I'm going to explain you through that how is going to be our class progress, how we are going to learn, what will be the syllabus, how we are going to break it down. It is going to be 40 classes that I'm going to provide because compared to English, we have a lot of alphabets in Hindi, or Hindi थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा मुश्किल है in terms of writing. Compared to English, I feel, okay, because it has a lot of matras that you must be getting confused with, right? So one by one, now I'll shift my paper to the other side so that you can see my page over here, and then one by one I'll ask you if you're facing any difficulty while writing Hindi. तो एक एक जन मुझे बताओ क्या कोई डिफिकल्टी महसूस होती है जब हिंदी राइट करते हो. Will anybody would like to tell me कहाँ पे you need help? Krishna, yes, Krishna, tell me.
Ma'am, in Hindi, like when we are writing bada u, chota u ki matras, sometimes we'll get confused and write vice versa, ma'am.
Okay, so you are getting confused with matras. And what about handwriting, curves, and everything? Anybody would like to throw a little light that if you are getting stuck anywhere while writing for Hindi? Cynthia is smiling. No stuck. Shalini says, okay, great. Shalini, that's nice. So shall we start then? Okay, so in Hindi, we have 11 swar or 33 vyanjan. That means 11 vowels and 33 consonants. So just the way in English you have A, E, I, O, U, right? How many are there? Only 5, correct? Only 5. In Hindi, how many of you have vowels? 11. A, E, U, like that. They are total, how many? 11. Also, we have 33 consonants. That means we have 33 different sounds that can make words, right? So we are going to go with absolute basic, and we are going to refresh on how to use our pencil. Who attended my first class and how to use your pencil effectively is like this, okay? The tripod one, like this, see? Okay, first you hold your pencil like this in between your two fingers and give support of your middle finger like this. Fine. So you have to hold your pencil like this and you have to give support like this, which will give you 3-finger grip, and it shouldn't be very close and it shouldn't be very far also. Okay. So how much finger space you will leave? Only 1 finger space, and then you will hold your pencil. Grip of your pencil is really important and you have to give nice support to your pencil. Step number 1. Okay, now if you see English handwriting and Hindi handwriting, what differences can you spot? Who can tell me what are the differences that you can spot when you write Hindi and when you write English? What differences? Yes, Kritika?
Ma'am, in Hindi there are matras, but in English there are no matras. We have to write directly in spellings.
Correct, absolutely. Anything else? Hi, Shanaya. Alphabets. Okay, alphabets are different. That's what Shalini is saying. Nubi, what do you find different in Hindi and English handwriting?
Ma'am, there are many curves in Hindi.
Correct. And Preeti says शब्द के ऊपर sleeping line. Yes, very, very big important. Absolutely right. Shri Krishna, anything you would like to tell me when you're writing Hindi and English? What's the difference?
In English, we'll write cursive, ma'am. That means we'll merge the letters with another letter. But in Hindi, we have to compulsory write separate letters to make one word.
Yes, absolutely. Cynthia?
Ma'am, in English there is 26 letters, but in Hindi there is 44 letters.
Absolutely, more than 44. It comes to around 47 sometimes if you skip one or two here and there, but total 47, close to 47. So, yes, anything else that you can spot? And absolutely right. Those who said that Hindi handwriting is more curvaceous. So, सब में गोल 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 है. So, in English handwriting, what was our syllabus? That in the initial exercises we did our freehand scribbling, right? Now in Hindi handwriting, for Hindi handwriting, your first warm up exercise is to create circles. So try and create big and small circles throughout your page to warm up. Okay, so whenever you will have to have a little golai in your work, you can try and draw some circles. So take a blank page, take a newspaper and start doing chote mote circles freehand. Okay, like this. Draw chote mote circles freehand. You can use pen, yes. You can use pen, definitely. Like this. Chote mote circles. Advik, why are you saying, to whom are you saying stop talking? What?
The people that are talking in chat.
That's okay. They are just giving me reviews over here, right? So yes, Sri Krishna, first we did scribbling. And now Kritika is saying, I'm using pen, you can use pen. So try and do big, small circles, as well as you can also do freehand scribbling over it. तो पहले circles बनाओ और उसके ऊपर scribbling भी कर दो. Okay? Just to free your hand. Because Hindi handwriting is all about goal circles, goal matol circles. In that way, whenever you want free hand, you can also do scribbling and especially for Hindi handwriting improvement. छोटे बड़े circles बनाते जाओ रोज. Okay, then you will have slightly more golai into your alphabets. So these are some simple hacks. As an art teacher, I've developed these simple hacks that are helping us to improve. पहले circles बनाओ, फिर scribble कर दो and feel relaxed and happy about it. Feel relaxed and happy. Ansha is smiling. See, देखो छोटे बड़े circles and complete it. Fine, this is our next step. So take one paper. We are doing warm up. Those who have joined late, don't worry, you have not missed out on anything. We were just discussing about how Hindi handwriting is different than English handwriting. So we have taken out few points. After that, we made chote bade circles on our page. And then we have scribbled our whole page completely. And we are feeling very happy about it because we don't get to do all these things in school, right? Your teacher will never tell, "Arey paper le lo aur scribble karo." That's not possible. So, but in this, because it helps you the free wrist movement, it gives you free wrist movement, it gives you flow in your work. So, whenever you want to improve handwritings, this is the best exercise, or even whenever you want to improve your strokes and drawing, this is the best exercise that any art teacher or any artist will suggest you. Okay, this is so fun. Yes, Cynthia saying this is so fun. Even I have fun doing this. Total scribbling, total freedom, isn't it? So exercise is done now. ये हो गया मेरा exercise. मैं रखती हूँ इसको side में, right? Yes, very good, Shalini. Okay, as we were discussing, in Hindi handwriting, we have a lot of golai. Golai is the curvious nature of that particular alphabet. Now, for example, if you take alphabet, say, let's start with swar. The first swar is A. Okay, so in two-liner book, as of now, whenever you will practice, you can start writing two like number 3, two equal curves. Okay, as we are practicing more about curves, you try and divide your curve into two portions, and it should be something like the center of your center of this entire block. Okay, so try and write your in this manner that you will be able to see. Okay, how we are writing in the center. The top curve and the bottom curve looks similar. So we want both curves to look exactly similar. Fine. We want both curves to look exactly similar. Then you have one central line passing through, and then you have a straight line. Okay, so this becomes a, and always you have sleeping line on top. So don't forget to give sleeping line. So if you see, the nature of Hindi handwriting incorporates with curves and also incorporates with some lines. Do you see? It incorporates some curves and it also has some lines. So it's a combination. It's a combination work. So whenever the next exercise that I will give you for drills is to try and draw straight lines. Okay, this is also very important exercise. Also, you can try and draw horizontal straight lines. So along with circles, if you practice straight and horizontal lines, this will help you with your handwriting because this is nothing but motor skills. This line will be useful to give sleeping lines. These lines will be helpful to give matras, and also later on we will practice diagonal lines to give matras on top, right? So all these exercises we are going to learn in our regular classes, right? Whenever we will have our regular class, we are first going to make our hand free. We will try and draw all the lines as our homework also. And I would encourage everybody to do homework in my class. If you don't want to do homework, for upcoming classes, please do not join my classes. I will be very frank. I will give you my 100% in teaching. If you're not going to do homework, then you will not see improvement in your work. Shalini, very good. Cynthia, very nice. Correct. So it's a combination. Okay, now let's go to A. How will you write A? It is same. Try and divide this into two equal portions. See, like this and like this. A के बाद आता है A. A ki matra is just one standing line. So whenever you want to write A, you just have to give one standing line. Okay. So these are two swars that we can learn for today's class. You can practice. Also, whenever you're applying pressure on your pencil, it shouldn't be very dark and shouldn't be very low also. So these are the few rules that we use for any handwriting, be it cursive English handwriting or be it your Hindi handwriting also. Okay? Now, whenever you will actually write into your books, you are not going to utilize this entire space. We use this whole block only for our practice work. For example, whenever I want to write into my two-liner, so I'm not going to utilize the full space like this. मैं ऐसे नहीं लिख सकती हूँ. क्यों? Because whenever I want to write and stack down my letters down, it will be a problem. For that reason, I will use only this much space. For example, if I have to write I will write it like this so that in the next, I will be able to write my next one comfortably like kamal. So for example, whenever I'm stacking, what if I write like this, completely using this, and then I have to write kamal down? How weird this is going to be. So all these rules I'm going to teach you how to write. So this is wrong writing, this is correct writing. So we'll be learning about all these rules also. Okay, why handwriting is important? We have seen lots and lots of benefits of good handwriting. First, your presentation, your question and answer papers in school will be excellent. Second, it will boost your confidence. From first grade till 12th grade till you graduate, you have to write your papers using your handwriting. So it is very, very important that you should have neatness and cleanliness into your work. Very beautiful, Shalini. अब हमने दो स्वर सीखे. We will go to व्यंजन. Can you tell me any examples of व्यंजन? Who can tell me consonants? Few consonants. Yes, Cynthia?
K, K, G, Gh, Ng.
Correct. Absolutely. So we will try and see K and Kh today. Kritika? Yes.
Ch, Ch, J, J, and Nya.
Yes, correct. Okay, so whenever we will write, whenever we will practice, we will utilize this whole area. And whenever we are writing, we will utilize the small space. Okay, just the way I showed you. So now over here, I will start with my first. So again, it's a combination with a straight, absolute straight line. How does the curl look like? You have one semicircle. Okay, now usually the second semicircle crosses like this and it becomes half to the other side. Okay, so it is just like infinity sign. How many of you have seen infinity sign? It looks like this, है ना? तो infinity sign को पूरा नहीं करना है, हमको क्या करना है? इसको आधा छोड़ देना है like this. देखो, make sure this and this curve is similar. So, and also don't forget to give sleeping line on top. Now, all of you practice one curl line. Now, if you're finding it very, very difficult to have straight line, try and visualize straight line perfectly and try and draw it. Your curve will start right in the center of this line, not up and not down. And to the other side, it will be half. Okay. Now, I have seen many children drawing it like this also. कुछ ऐसे एक साइड इतना बड़ा एक साइड इतना छोटा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा उल्टा पुल्टा. So this is wrong technique. Whenever we will draw, you will have to use your book and practice it every class. After every class, whatever is being taught, you will get homework. I will check your homework. I will give you all the tips. If you are getting stuck anywhere, you can WhatsApp me anytime. I will answer you. Every single class will have homework also for Hindi handwriting. Once we finish all our swar and vyanjan, then we are also going to learn Barakhadi. Anybody knows about Barakhadi? Yes, Nuvi knows. So what is it exactly? It is being taught in the school also. Yes.
K, 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 Ku, K, Kai.
Correct. That's right. So Barakhadi is like giving different matras and writing properly, right? Which will help you to create words later. Yes, Nuvi, do you want to add on? Unmute and speak.
Yes. Ma'am, in nowadays there are chauda khadis also. Chauda khadi.
Yes, yes. The traditional is Barakhadi. Even when you know Barakhadi, you will be able to write comfortably. Okay. Whenever the requirement is there, I will also introduce two more matras. Shalini, very nice. Okay. Beautiful. Now let's go to one more letter, which is B. B for ball. Nahi. B for bail. In Hindi, we should speak in Hindi. So bar is similar to curve. Only one side you have one curve and then you have your diagonal line going inside like this. Bar. Bar for baban. किसी का नाम होता है बबन, right? B for बालू. B for बापू. B for और क्या? बेर. Yes, Kritika.
But after K, Kh comes.
Yes, I just said we will practice this right now because it is similar to curve. It will be easier for to understand. When we will learn, we are going to go in a sequence only. Yes, correct. Shalini. Now, V is also similar, but without any central line. V for वजन. कितना वजन है तुम्हारा? बोलो. What's your weight? So B and V will look similar without central line. So whenever we will learn, we will try and see which letters are similar to each other and we will try and learn those letters. Okay. So this is going to be total 5 months course because we have so much to learn. Every class is going to be slow. I'm going to work with all of you with at your speed. Ever if you are absent in the class recordings will be provided to you. As usual, we have all the classes recorded. Also, if you need any help, if you need any motivation, I'm always there to guide you in the class. The classes are going to be every Tuesday and Thursday from 7:30 to 8:30. So now more or less this is how our syllabus is going to be. After bara khadi, we are going to learn how to write small words. Afterwards, we will progress to small sentences. After sentences, we will progress to small paragraphs. Got it? It is very similar to cursive handwriting program, right? So that's about it. Shalini, very nice. Anything else you would like to ask me regarding the course? If you have any questions, you can ask me. Kritika, so nice, beta. Nubi has question. Yes, Nubi.
Ma'am, words will also be done with the alphabet, means same k words like that.
Yes. We will try. Once we do the bara khadi, more or less, they are equipped with all the matras. Then we will start with small words. Once the words are done, we are going to progress to small sentences. After sentences, we will progress to paragraphs. Okay, so first we are going to start with the drills, then the proper alphabet structure, first swar, then vyanjan. If once all are done, then bara khadi. After bara khadi, small words. After small words, small sentences. After sentences, paragraphs. And this is how we will progress. These are going to be total 40 classes, and the course will go for 5 months. Okay, we will not be doing and rushing it up in just 1 month. 1 month पे कुछ नहीं होता है, बच्चे बस confuse होते हैं. Okay, so we will go slow and we will reprogram their handwriting if they're facing any issues with Barakhadi. Now slowly they will also be able to progress with the class, better reading, better handwriting, and better Hindi speaking. Advik, any question do you have? Shalini, very nice, beta.
Ma'am, I've done. See?
Oh, lovely. Nice. So this is how our class will progress. Now, what about the fees? If you see outside, the fees for 5 months is about 16,000, but that's not our fees. Our fees for 5 months is only per month. It's 999 only. Okay. So for 1 month, fees is going to be 999. You can pay every month or you can pay totally for 5 months also. It depends on you how you want to make your payments. Okay, so that's the fee. Only 999 per month, and we are going to go slow. This is total 5 months course. You have to finish 5 months course. ऐसे मत करना कि बस स्वर सीखे व्यंजन सीखे क्लास छोड़ दी, because that is not going to help you out with anything. So I would suggest those who are facing a lot of issues, you can go for monthly payment. Otherwise, you make full payment and enroll for the entire course. And we will go slow. I will handhold you to improve your handwriting. There are some students who have done cursive and have seen immense improvement in their work also. So yes, that's about it from my side. If you have any questions, you can ask me. This class is on Tuesday and Thursday, 7:30 to 8:30. Okay, every Tuesday and Thursday. Ever if I miss any class, I will provide you with extra class. If you miss any class, I will provide you with class recording. You have to complete that particular task. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the next class. If you have any doubts, I will always clear your doubts. बस इतना ही मेरी तरफ से, and I will see you all hopefully in next upcoming classes. All our drawing and art classes are also available. शालिनी बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है. Very nice. Good handwriting.
Ma'am, what is time for the course?
10:40. Which one? Shalini not able to understand what are you saying. Cynthia, any question, beta?
What is the time for this course?
Time for this course is 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. IST. That's India time. 7:30 to 8:30 Tuesday and Thursday.
Ma'am, I'm in India.
Okay, perfect. So 7:30 to 8:30. Kritika says okay, okay. ठीक है. Chalo then. I will unmute you. If you have any doubts, you can connect to me personally. And I will see you all in the next class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye,
See you.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
bye.
Bye, bye.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye,
Yes,
ma'am.
please.
See you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
bye.
ma'am.
Bye, bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Prajakta, ma'am.